Get ready to spell words in Riley's Spelling Headquarters. Let's start.
Spelling number 1. Spell the word learn. Learn is a verb. It means to get knowledge or skill. Here's an example sentence. We learn new words every day. Again, spell the word learn. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling number 2. Spell the word leave. Leave is a verb. It means to go away from a place. Here's an example sentence. I will leave after lunch. Again, spell the word leave. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling number 3. Spell the word little. Little is an adjective. It means small in size. Here's an example sentence. The puppy is little. Again, spell the word little. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling number 4. Spell the word laugh. Laugh is a verb. It means to make sounds when something is funny. Here's an example sentence. We laugh at the joke. Again, spell the word laugh. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling number 5. Spell the word library. Library is a noun. It is a place with books to read or borrow. Here's an example sentence. I go to the library. Again, spell the word library. Timer starts now.